Enough of my love. I have to enough of, you don't know that already. I live here about 2 months now. The month I make 2 months. No people remember say no. Him know me no like crowd that space of people. And him know him see me rarely. I mean I go out the door. Yeah. I go out there. Him know me not got there. If him invite me, go turn up, cause I just write this out. But me not stay for long. What do you say?
Hello.
Hello,
How
bye.
are you?
Man, not in an argument with me. Or me, when by or me. Short, now look something for the gift gallery. Short gift gallery. So come here. Hold on there. Me post up a picture on Valentine's Day. And trot. Me and 2 women over in a struggles. 2 all white which have Rosealee. Me show you it. Me no want miss the comment, you know. Gift gallery chat. Me no want miss the comment. One of the girls, them tweet ya. And I feel like I fear money spending, you know. Upon the logo. And I fear money spending, you know. Why when I post my picture, them I can't post them in peace? No more want to ask. Why the monetizing spirit? And the monetizing because no monetize so walk and text it from people. Monetizing spirit. Why not text it from me? Monetizing, not monitoring. Monetizing spirit. We are under the earth. I want the problem. Monetizing spirit. I want the problem. Something wrong with it now. So, we still up on the same chapter when I move yesterday yet.
Blood clot, girl. Look so,
Hi,
I so
Rose.
love when girl look red. Rosealee, stop go.
This screen card when you had this, I don't know, I block you. Me not stay here, so
Where, Rosealee, the black.
no one blood clot, you know. Me tired of you know I'm upon the blood clot boy. Me tired of you know upon the boy. Move. I'm not play match with you no way. Me tired of you know. Me tired of you know. Me tired of you know. Every day so. Me tired of you know. Move. Me know enough friend for me now no way. I move. Me tired of you know. Anytime I see an next person follow me, I block it. Me not go over the guana man. I mean, I black on. I'm tired of you now. I'm tired of you now. Move. And leave him alone. Leave him. I was so. Me not play no match. And me rent Drew, me can't beg cash up. Two little girls and boys will help me with the $985. Two little girls and boys over here will help me with the $885 to show to pay the rent. Me can't beg cash up. Two little girls and boys over here will help me put tired of now. Move! Blood clot. Don't get me irritable like for me under 2 coke and wine. Move and leave the boy alone. I'm not playing no match with you now. Anytime I saw up on the FYP I this me I black on off on my phone. Where? I'm not come in an argument with them when I black on. Every day so, every minute so, what so. From last year till now, I we saw in that church in a match. I'm tired of you know. Your woman do all of the things about the book. Don't that woman do all of the things about the book. When me tell me say something would I never ever do. And you don't hear me come over here and I try to criticize a girl or throw her underneath the bus. Me can do it too. Me can do it too. Me not trouble her. Me see her, me hear everything. Me not add me not play much, me not hungry. Me block him off my phone. Me not want a friend from him. Left the boy alone at full time now. Cause when me go, him go. And if you don't like him, you don't like me. I mean, I distance myself from him because I say straight. Don't send me no request, me not hungry. And me get $5, I'm satisfied with it. Me can beg my rent money in a cash shop. And me come and say, team, my rent do I not have it. Me know 2 of my ladies them will help me with it. Move. Move. I say if him walk and fast, so do no because I say okay, him walk and fast, so them not look pound no. Every day, sir. Every minute, 7 seconds, sir. You not talk about no one self, you not important to yourself. Obsession. Me can't obsess over somebody, sir. Every day, sir. Me say me and the man who could have played too much right there now. Somebody tell me about the screen, guys. This one I see that said, don't I really? And I never come here, come bring down kush. When me book up an old man page, and I say, him I say, them the girl catches from it herself for $2. So them know exactly how it look. I never try to come and bring her down and try and eat the boss. I never put more in a relationship with. And I saw it start with Candy. I see where y'all go from the other day. It not go work. Go on, big man. Me no hungry. Go on with the match. Sorry for me not play none. Me I look to gift gallery. Me a entertainist. Me no need no. Go on where I go. Yeah. You don't have to respect him. Leave him alone. You don't have to respect him. Leave him alone. Talk about somebody else. If I'm going on a ride, me and the boy back. I want to come argue. I trust all the people, some of the germs, them over here wicked. I'm afraid to argue with them. Because when I open my mouth, Rosealee big ass stink and them done. Akeam this at the boy, them start pan. One big sermon, one Bible verse. I'm not playing them what to do now. You can't leave him now. When I have a friend, respect a friend choices. I'm gonna go sit down on a mat. Need me not eat. Need me not good eating. Need me to talk about the monetization spirit. I'm here that's going to be eye. Go on, where I go. I'm not playing a match. Go on. Chat me, I look 2 gift gallery. I'm not playing a match with no. I'm not curing enough smoke. Not curing enough smoke. I need the kinds I not played. A full time now for no go on about on the business. No cure them have smoke, I need the kinds me not play none. Me not play none. I saw me loyal. I saw me not play none. Andrew me not play none. I saw me loyal. Have some respect. Go move. Move. And where? I'm tired of you now. I'm tired of you. Sometimes I come out, come and rub out and tell about a sad life, you see? Because some of your life sad. I want to tell about it, you see? But you know, so I come tell about a sad life and the bad effect wanna go away. The dirt come and left out. Now some I want to throw it back. When I go talk about the boy, some of us leave it. No, they can't done now. When I get the drift, when I see the memo, me not forget the drift and see the memo. Me not gonna away. Because all I want the things them for me here. All All I want to be do things them for me ear. For me ear. And then for see my reaction. Well, my reaction, me not go nowhere. Because me not care. Rest him now. My somebody pick the toe. I don't live on people too much like chink. I want to look a beard. I go clean up on the house. I go clean up on a sad life. Go look at life. Go look HAPPYLE. Happily. Jankro. Oh, I want to come this today with this, you know. What's it, me liquor? Need me neighbor say I cook some food and for me. I wait for it. I'm tired of them. Release him now. Me no want hear nothing. Me no want hear nothing. Oh, me no want hear. All the one want to come style the boy. I want to look all Rosa. Me no want a friend from Uno. Where I go, ego. And if I him alone, I have my two put them, I eat me a standby. Yeah. Yeah. Only can't tell me what for do. I'm tired of Uno. I black him and time I see much a page him come up, me I black him too. I just black him last night. I black him. I don't. Father God will send two people on my rank and get something on the board. Me block him. Of course, me block him off my phone. Release the boy now. Release him now. Now, you can't dump on one somebody so every single day, every single time. Uno run people to. Uno give people mental breakdown and make them go analyze themselves. Because you not give them a break. Uno make people run people mindset to wreck. Uno make the little boy see live and afraid to click it. Because everyone on just dunk pan him right through. Uno not done, uno not rest, uno not stop. Uno not done, but I strong faith and mind to come here all the time. The over there draining and every day the same story, over there draining. How would he say? Where? And avoid me. You know phone and move and go away. And avoid my phone. Avoid my phone. Me go black, you know avoid me. Go away. And avoid my phone. Avoid my phone. Avoid my phone. Avoid my phone. Avoid it. Me on a follow. Avoid my phone. I cannot steam now, you know. Go away and avoid my phone. Avoid my phone. A full time on the car put up man from last year. When in February next month of March. Release. They look up, release the people in Pitney. I mean, I'll tell you some of this. Anybody when me I roll with, you watch your blood clot tone. Come cut out people for less. Cause loyalty me say straight. Anybody when me I roll with, they watch your tone. Watch your tone. It's the worst. Me know him now walking fast, you know. It's if he was a troublemaker, then me can say, okay, then rob him. Yeah, rob him out, of course. But worse, me know say, him not soon. Him not soon none at all. It always piss me off. They always piss me off. Always. Because the people who walk fast with people over there, them want to go in an argument with. The people who walk fast, all them are dirty people. The people who walk fast, avoid my cellular, sir. You know, scratch me. No, me that's Mama calm down. It don't my spirit does get high. The people that walk fast with people. When you go take on. The germs that we walk one of the abiding class. What takes it pan? Look much of them over here. We walk a end coffee cloud. I stand by all my friend too. And I'm man alone, I stand by all my friend too. Worse than me know my friend now walk and fast with you. I fight for my friend till the last but I blow in my body. That's how I stay. Why blow me soon call you? I soon come check you. That's how I fight for my friend too. Worse with all the last but I blow in my body. Leave people alone. I don't want to come blood clot style people and then in a match, start throw shades. Me in a match start the arm, Friday arm. Rosealee more buy one panty for Valentines. Me in the day we buy my panty for. You can't chillax and relax now, man. Thinking, man.
How are you, sweet friend? How are you? Akeam wife, my friend. Big love, big respect. Stop the Hello, Akeam wife. My friend.
Just a two look at them, I'm not too hungry. So that means the content now run again. I pay a text set pan. Them not. So when I TikTok them now do content again. I've used them, I've used them call people name for views. For beg. You now can do some content. You now do content again. Over here belongs to content creators. I don't have no people them. You know, so me come here and not go on. Until me get me satisfied with it. Because sometimes I get it enough over, sometimes I get it a little bit and I'm satisfied. Because I'm not getting about it. Me not think so. I have to do nothing extra. Sometimes over here, I want big shooter me have. And some little smart people who put. I'm satisfied with it and come back. Me not walk fast with people. Me not like people text upon people. Anybody who text upon people, me hate them. You go block that page, yeah. Nobody now do no content again. Nobody now do no content again. Nobody now do no content again for long and boots them page. I those people name and click them live. Peer mix up on people name. Peer mix up. And I want to talk the talk and don't walk the walk. It's still not change the price right and don't stop. Cause me I try to bring down somebody every rascal out there. And Mrs. say I want me do it still now. When me have to stop. When me must get that tired to me. Me can't hear people say. What I'm saying is, when you talk the talk and you walk the walk, and it now work. Cause me over there every day, I click my live and I bring down somebody, me and people in a box. And when the people them click them like, boop, then they on the podium, boop every day. Me gonna stop eventually. How everyone is so dunce and naive and fool that Uno sister wanna do cannot change the price or rise. I wanna give up. As black people, no be still. One of them never give up. A black people them day be. A black people them day them not give up. And that's why we hate one another and bad mind. It's a Chinese people. Wake up Chinese people wake up a man and go open them wholesale and go sell them goods. We as a nasty black people, and we are selling goods in front of the Chinese place. We wake up and we wash up. Me never, come here sell long come. Me never see a Chinese man come and work and work up in business place yet. And we alone. For me, I sell long time, I never witness a Chinese man come and Chinese store and I'm car come and store and wait up him doorway. I always some look a nasty black nigga like me say something I like you. Come I like nigga, I like you. I don't like people, and this is the reason why I'm going to the car to me. When I say road, I just look at you. Come on, evil and I can't trust someone. Because I'm a devil in a disguise. Hi, hello, I don't like me. Hello, I don't like me. Devil in a disguise. Me know the world. Me say long a turn on China man. Me say long a turn and go turn at 5:30. Them try to dinner like all the time. So when China was sell a woman, I look across and say the Chinese say was sell a woman. The man come, them while two archery worker, pull him grill, pull the grill, pull the shutter and fling it up. I go up in business place, turn on him phone and go in front of him counter and start to sell people. We as nasty nigga, we are selling in front of the chaka. We are nasty nigga. We as nasty nigga, we are selling in front of the China man shop. We come with lime, blue, and cold salt. We don't know what we are wash away. Every day people are doing something on their mind. One on their mind bad. A bad minded people think that people are doing something. Bad-minded people think that people are doing something. So a person thinks, so is he. Never hear the Bible says, so a man think it, so is he. He's a bad-mind person. Still I'm gonna tell him some people are doing something. When literally nobody not soon, but on the mind bad and corrupt. The people has speak them choice. The majority has vote. People are always love who them love and give them like them things. Now you try for bury, dig up, bury. The people still are gonna strive regardless. Go and get to yourself on your own gifters and people to like you know. And more of those seminar match me not hungry. One I go. Chat me